Action.
Hi, this is Luke Jones with Remax New Orleans Properties. I'm here with my friend Bob Rispoli. He's the owner-operator of RCR Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. He's been working with my clients, homeowners, and property managers and investors for about 6 years now. I've known him. And I just wanted to introduce you. Bob, what makes you so different than your typical carpet cleaner?
Well, most people in my business learn carpet cleaning from a company they work for. I did for a while, but decided to go to school and learn from the masters. They're always changing their products, they're always changing their foods. There's new dyes in the food that gets in carpets and furniture. And if you don't keep up with technology, you get left behind.
Wonderful. And who knew that you really needed to educate yourself, including getting the highest technology involved to get stains and whatever out of your carpet and upholstery. If you ever need any carpet or upholstery cleaning services, Bob is your man. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it. Thank you.